Hey everybody, wanted to show you guys how these cleaners are working on this dog bed. As you can see, I already did a patch. I saw that major difference, so I wanted to do a little video. See, it's cleaning up right away with a single pass. Crazy how nice it is. You go the opposite direction. You can still see it's not just because I'm pulling the material one direction, it's actually quite clean. Great. That's very satisfying to see. Wow. How awesome is that? Big difference. Excuse me? Half and half change.
Well, there's some dirty dogs. That's awesome.
Pretty normal, but I did a little bit of it and I was like, oh great, this is going to turn out fantastic.
Yeah, that's going to be a good picture too.
Yeah, so I was like, oh my gosh, it's turning out well. And I was like, it's not just the way the material's facing, because you comb it the other direction and it looks just as good.
Right.
So I was like, oh, this is awesome. So I had to do...
That's a lot of trips up to the ranch.
Oh, I bet.
Awesome.
So just wanted to show you before the whole thing was done, so you can kind of see how it's transitioning. That's pretty awesome.
That's really cool.
Yeah. I like to get the client involved so they can see what you're doing for them. Well, it takes a minute, but that's okay. Letting them see how well things are cleaning up shows that you care and that you're doing everything you can to provide a professional service for them. So whenever you get a chance, get them involved and show them what's going on. Because some people just don't realize what all cleaning entails. And so if you can educate them and show them some visuals, they'll appreciate that. And then it also shows them that you're not just blowing through a job and make a couple extra bucks, and move on to the next one. You're taking your time, doing the right thing, having them involved when you can, and show them how it's cleaning. And they'll be ecstatic, and you just can't beat that. So, I'm going a little slow here. Probably going to go over it one more time a little bit off camera. I'm trying to do this so you guys can see how it's changing as I'm cleaning it. But you can see how once I get past the dirty area and go back over it, my water is no longer coming in brown like it is right now. So if I come back and vacuum, see, it's just clear. So I know that I've cleaned it all out in that section. So like she said, the dogs are outside and getting dirty, and they come inside and hang out on these, which is great because much easier to deal with these than it is all the carpet in the house. So easier to clean, as we can see. And she's happy. I'm happy because it came out great. It's so nice when you can see a change like that and you can present it to somebody and they're satisfied with your work. That's one of the most rewarding parts of this. So I'm going to do the edges after this. Check the back of it. See if it's a material I can clean up. And then go from there. Guys, thank you for watching. As usual, appreciate it. Hit the like button, subscribe if you enjoyed this one. This is the first video you've watched. Be sure to check out the other ones. We got carpet cleaning, tile cleaning, and upholstery cleaning jobs on the channel, our YouTube channel. There will be more. Thanks again, guys. Have a great day.